What's up everyone, welcome back to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset your all settings in Roblox. It's very easy method, so don't skip the video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Open the Roblox and click on the bottom right corner, more option, and then go to settings and then click on security. And you can see they don't have an option to reset all settings. So go back and go to settings and then click on apps and find the Roblox. Click on Roblox and go to storage and then click on clear cache and then click on clear storage and go back and grant all the permissions. And go to Play Store, search Roblox and upgrade the game here, and then your all setting will be reset. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, like my video.